Good morning. You're welcome to the Silent Round podcast for March. Happy new month, and may have a blessed month of March. A letter from the Silent Round team to all our listeners. It reads, Dear Reader, every journey begins with a sound, a whisper, a breath, a drum beat. The birth of the drum is that first awakening, the echo of the people rediscovering their voice, their power, and their shared destiny. This story was born from the soil of the people rediscovering their voice. This story was born from the soil of our ancestors, from the same rivers and mountains that witnessed the first calls to unity. It speaks of courage, of heritage, and of the unseen bonds that tie one heart to another across time and space. When the drum is silent, the people forget. But when peace, the spirit of a nation stirs. This book is that awakening, a call to remember who we are and who we can become when we rise as one. The drum you hear in this page is not only Abinga's, it is ours. It beats for the warrior, the mother, the child, the dreamer, and the broken-hearted. It beats for the unity in the face of division, for hope amid despair, for peace, even when the winds of war threaten to drown all sound. May you hear it too, deep within, calling you to stand, to remember, and to join the rhythm of those who believe that strength lays not in conquest, but in togetherness. Let the silent drum, the birth of the drum, awaken in you the courage to listen, not only to the sound of the drum, but to the silence between the beats, where truly love and destiny meets. With gratitude and purpose, we of the Bible 75 propagation, and especially I, Daniel Kumla Ammo, thank you and invite you to join in my regular podcasts and YouTube channel and all my channels, my TikTok and my Instagram channels. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for your attention. And may God bless you. May God bless your generation as you awaken, as you stand to do your best. This podcast is sponsored by Pharmacy, producers of beauty products, nutrition products, perfumery, and more. The influencer here is Promise. Influencer Promise, thank you so much for sponsoring this podcast. And I will read your message to our cherished listeners and viewers. Thank you. This is a message from Pharmacy. A message from Pharmacy. Yes. Pharmacy has this for you. It says, beauty isn't just what you see in the mirror. It starts from within. Patience teaches us to trust the process. Whether it is skincare, self-growth, or life itself, real beauty takes time. Pharmacy, thank you so much. Influencer Promise, thank you so much. Yes. And that's what the voice say. General Dogbe. Pharmacy is saying they will take care of your beauty whilst you are working hard and drinking their wellness and nutrition products. First, take care of yourself. Take good care of yourself. And remember, the silent drum is collaborating with Pharmacy to bring you this podcast. It will be regular, and we'll be going deep into the silent drum, the birth of the drum, and the covenant renewed. Remember, it is an awakening sound, a sound that tells you that you are who you say you are. You are the person God has built you. Don't forget, you are like no other person. You are like no other person. I am I, and you are you. Remember, you are created special, healthy, strong, intelligent, beautiful. You are. Silent drum in collaboration with Pharmacy says you are beautiful. Remember, the silent drum is beats that tells you you are who you are. Don't forget, we love you. Keep loving yourself. Keep being strong. Keep being fit. Take a educational basis. Remember, Pharmacy loves you too, as the silent drum does. Thank you, and have a beautiful month. We love you so much. The silent drum, the birth of the drum, says you're welcome.